Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive into the world of nutrition and wellness. In today's episode, we're exploring the incredible benefits of biotin, also known as vitamin B7. We'll uncover its key health benefits, the top foods rich in biotin, and the recommended daily dosage. So, if you're ready to boost your health with some biotin-rich foods, keep watching. What is biotin? Biotin is one of the B-complex vitamins that helps our body convert food into energy. It's particularly vital for maintaining our hair, skin, and nails healthy. But its benefits don't just end there. Let's break down how biotin works in your body. Health benefits of biotin. Besides its beauty-boosting capabilities, biotin plays a crucial role in numerous body functions. Here are some key benefits. Supports metabolism. Biotin assists in metabolizing carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Enhances skin health. It's known for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Neurological benefits. Biotin is important for nervous system function and has been studied for its role in cognitive health. Regulates blood sugar. It can help regulate blood glucose levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Daily dosage of biotin. The recommended daily intake of biotin can vary based on age, health, and dietary needs. Generally, adults should aim for about 30 micrograms per day. Pregnant or breastfeeding women may need more, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. Now, let's talk about how to naturally incorporate biotin into your diet. Here are some top biotin-rich foods. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a great source. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. Legumes, such as lentils and peanuts. Whole grains, like oats and barley. Meat, liver, and other organ meats are packed with biotin. Dairy, milk and cheese can also boost your biotin intake. Integrating biotin-rich foods into your diet is an excellent way to support your metabolism, enhance your skin, and boost overall health. Whether it's adding a handful of nuts to your snack time or including a serving of eggs at breakfast, each small step can lead to big benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Share your favorite biotin-rich recipes in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to health is always at your plate.